Here we are to the second episode of my microwave cooking channel. These are my cheesy chicken wings. If you guys want to learn how to make them, stay tuned. Coming up. The chicken wings themselves, some breadcrumbs, garlic salt, basil, Parmesan cheese, some butter, some oregano, and some actual not dried out fresh basil. And of course our measuring spoons and a knife and the Tupperware. Your first step is to rinse off and pat your chicken dry because we don't want no dirty chicken. You grab 2 tablespoons of butter and you cut them off. And here, this one is measured, so here you cut off 2 tablespoons of butter. Put it into a mug that's microwave safe and melt that down. Earlier we had said 2 tablespoons, but I decided to bump it up to 4. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, we add the next ingredients. This is half a cup, so 3/4. So another half a cup of this. And then the Parmesan cheese, 3/4 of a cup Parmesan cheese. You want to put in your herbs, which is a teaspoon of oregano leaves, dried oregano leaves. So have that. I put in a bunch because I like my seasoning. Add at least a teaspoon. Teaspoon of basil. Once you melt your butter down, you place it into a flat container and you grab your chicken wings and just dip them in the butter, like so. Get them nice and soaked. And then we toss it into the mix. Nice and then put it into a separate container. And we do this successively with all the pieces of chicken. So here we are about to stick our chicken into the microwave for about 9 minutes. It's 2 intervals of 9 minutes each. So here we are. It looks like we're cooking through, but we're going to take a fork and just rotate the chicken around so it cooks all the way through. Here we are, just rotating stuff. Now we're at our halfway cooking point and we're going to add it for another 9 minutes. So a total of 18 minutes. The first half 9 and the second half 9. So here we are approaching the end of our last 9 minutes. Second last 9 minutes. And we take our chicken out. And it looks and smells pretty good. Let's taste it. Take off one piece.
Good.
It's good, right? Once our chicken is done, we're going to add some fresh basil as a final garnish. So we spread that out onto the chopping board. It smells delicious. And we finally chop it up. So the basil smells really good and it's going to add a really good taste, so we sprinkle that on. Once again, it smells delicious. So that's the end of my video. Rate, subscribe, comment, like, and stay watching for my next video. I'll have more recipes coming up.